Chumbuckles, man, are you quiet, gently? What? No!
It ain't for eating.
It's you. Thou was alike inside the other gives birth. So to blaze by godly plug ignite. Revolution about revolution, rejoice! Please, don't kill Chumbucket! Please! Hey!
Why shouldn't I?
Because I know you. Yeah, I spied you in the long lookers. They left you for the blowflies, and they snatched your ride, and now you'll be looking to snatch it back. That's what the prophecy says. You're the driver.
That's right.
Then Chumbucket is your man. Yeah, I'm your man. Yeah, yes, I am. See, I have a vehicle that can take you to your car. I do, Saint.
Have you water to spare a dead man?
Thank you, stranger.
Picked clean, I reckon.
The explosion. I was too close. Hurt. Just end me.
It's just me left. But you see, I'm not, there really is no...
And we all owe you praise.
Saint? Oh, Saint, come and see. Come and see, oh, Saint. Could touch you on the blacktop day or night, why, you'd be evergreen, eternal, road tripping with the gods!
Nitro done yet?
Oh, yes, nitro installed. Now, let's baptize her and roll the holy sled. I know just the place. Fire and smoke with the power all! Go! That's right! Oh, hell pursues us! My fingers were controlled by otherworldly forces. Oh, the bonnet figure! Magic for the initiated! You have your ways, finely inspired. Not for me to question, no. Where the angel flies, I too shall follow. Saint, if you're looking to gain the favor of the gods, you can always do a death run.
Hey! Where is the child?
She'll know this. Tell her to trust you. Tell her Mama Hope is waiting.
Leave me alone, Buzzard!
Your mama's name is Hope. She's got red hair. She calls you Glory.
Mom alive?
She is. She's waiting for you. Our contract is done. Hey.
It's a prison. For you.
Together we can build more than a life raft.
You're too late. Scrotus was here. You okay, baby? Come here. Come on. Come on. Okay.
Nobody will remember my name.
Yes, I will. Yes, I will. I'll remember. I promise you. No. No, 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 no.
Lord Scrotus likes to take his time! Where is he?
I can breathe life back into her lungs still. Black fingers will heal her, say. Yeah.
Come on! What will we
Praise be! Her juices flow! Her valves are a-go with the cuttering pistons blow by blow! Yes.
Get off! Just one chance to get it.
Yeah. She will die! Oh, sweet! Get off! Never! I would rather breathe my last breath than watch her die! I am her protector! Her savior! No! Sage! Sage! Please! Please spare her! Please, Sage!
Burn! Burn him from the face of the earth!
An instrument of your vengeance!
They must all die.
No! No! Leave me!
You okay, baby? Come here. Come on. Come on.
It's a prison. For you.
Together we can build more than a life raft.
Time has built to this, Wanderer. Your path, however crooked, has led you straight to here. Our work, yours and mine, must soon commence. Come find me when your spirit is ready. And the madness that crawls inside. You've come to Griffith for a reason. Deep inside, twisted around horrors from which you run, lies your strength. Griffith can help. Help you venture down to where you daren't go yourself. And lay bare your true promise.